my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you this easy peasy and beginners friendly makeup. I hope you will like this video. वीडियो में जाने से पहले प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दीजिएगा. इस वीडियो को शेयर और लाइक करना बिल्कुल ना भूले. So if you are interested in this makeup look, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start with moisturizing my face. For that I'm using Patanjali Aloe Vera gel here. I'm just gently massaging it all over my face. Now I'm gonna take Pond's BB cream and dot it all over my face. Like so. With the help of foundation brush, I'm gonna blend the BB cream nicely. Take your time to blend BB cream properly. I'm gonna list all the product I will use in this video in the description box below with the link, so please make sure to check that out. Here I am going over with the sponge to make sure the BB cream is blended properly. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and applying it under my eyes to cover the dark circles and kind of highlight that area. With the help of concealer brush, I'm gonna blend the concealer. Now with this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact, I'm gonna set my whole face. For my brows, I'm taking this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and taking this darker brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. I'm using this angled brush to fill in my brows. Now I'm taking this golden shimmer shade from the same palette and transferring the color on my eyelid with the help of my ring finger. Now I'm taking this lighter shade and putting it in the inner corner of my eyes to highlight that area. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner and just drawing the line on both of my lids. Now I'm using this Plum Nature Studio Kajal. Finally, I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Mascara and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. Now it's time for some blush. I'm using this Rivana Colors Ultra Blush palette in this coral shade, putting that on my cheekbones. It's really highly pigmented, that's why that face. Now with the help of fan brush, I'm gonna use this Savannah Bronze palette highlighter to highlight the highest points of my face, like cheekbones, over the bridge of my nose. Last but not the least, I'm using this Nykaa lipstick and finishing off the look. With that, I finished this makeup look. I hope this was helpful for someone. This was very simple, easy and beginners friendly. You can definitely try this at home. Don't forget to check the description box for all the details of products I have used. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.